How to set up split screen on your Samsung device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily set up a 2-app split screen on your Android device. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to make sure that you've turned on the split screen feature on your device. For that, go to settings. From your settings menu, you can go to search bar and search for multi-view window or something similar. Tap on multi-window. And from here, you need to make sure that you have turned on the full screen in split screen view. Tap on it, and from here you can make sure that you turn on the feature. Alright, so once you've done that, let's say if you want to do a split screen, what you can usually do is go to your recent apps, tap on the app icon, and here you'll see an option to open in split screen view. Tap on it, select an existing app or a new app down below. Let's say if I want to open AI Studio, I can just tap on it. It's going to open AI Studio in a different app down below. Now you can adjust the size of your split screen. Let's say if I want my settings to be a bit bigger, I can do that. You can find your AI Studio down below and you can use both apps simultaneously. Now to close it, just tap on the middle partition. You can easily switch between the apps, top and bottom. And then to actually close it, just drag any one of them all the way to full screen, up or down. Once that is done, your your split screen will be closed. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.